class. We are continuing with the lesson motion. In the last class, I asked you to complete the notes and send it to me, but I got only few notes. So all should complete your notes and send it to me. Then only I can add your number in our WhatsApp group. Okay. So hereafter, you can send your notes and clear the doubts through our WhatsApp group. So in our last section, we discussed about equations of motion. We studied the three equations of motion and how can we derive it by graphical method. So the three equations of motions are, which are they? V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square equal to u square plus 2as. These are the three equations. We know how to derive these equations by graphical method. So today we are going with the topic uniform circular motion. This is the last part of this lesson. Okay. So at the end of this module, I will attach a PDF of textual exercise. So all the question answers should complete and send the notes. Okay. So we can continue with the topic.
Uniform circular motion. Circular motion means when an object is moving along a circular path. Example, motion of blades of an electric fan, Earth and planets moving around the sun. Let us explain with the help of an activity. Take a string, tie a stone at one of its ends, hold the second end in your other hand and will so that the stone performs a circular motion. Speed of the stone should remain the same throughout the motion. So, the motion of the stone is uniform circular motion. To know the direction of velocity of stone, at any point, release the stone at that point and observe the direction in which it goes. If this activity carried out 4 or 5 times at different points, you will observe that the stone travelled in different directions every time. Direction of stone is a straight line and it is along the tangent to the point of release. Thus, the direction of velocity keeps changing every moment in uniform circular motion. In uniform circular motion, speed of the body remains constant, but direction of motion is changing continuously. Therefore, we can say in a uniform circular motion, velocity is changing continuously. Hence, it is an accelerated motion. Consider an athlete is moving along a circular track of radius r. Consider any point A on the track. Direction of velocity at any point A is along the tangent to the circle at point A. Time taken by actually to cover one round is equal to t seconds. Distance covered in one round is equal to the circumference of the circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. So, the speed of the athlete is equal to distance travelled by time, which is equal to 2 pi r by t. Today, we studied uniform circular motion. Circular motion. When a body moves in a circle, it is called circular motion. When a body moves along a circular path, then its direction of motion keeps changing continuously. Since the velocity changes due to continuous change in the direction, therefore, the motion along a circular path is said to be an accelerated motion. When a body moves in a circular path, with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Thus, the motion in a circle with constant speed is an example of accelerated motion. Examples: artificial satellite move in uniform circular motion around the earth. The earth moves around the sun. An athlete moving on a circular track with constant speed. The tip of a second hands of a watch. Calculation of speed of an object moving in a circular path. When a body take one round of a circular path, then the distance travelled by that object is equal to the circumference of the circle. So, here the distance travelled by the object S is equal to 2 pi r, and speed of the object is equal to distance travelled by time taken. So, V is equal to 2 pi r divided by T. Here the pi is a constant and its value is equal to 22 divided by 7. Here V is equal to speed and S is equal to distance travelled by the object. Worksheet. A cyclist goes around a circular track once every 2 minutes. If the radius of the circular track is 105 meters, calculate his speed. Given pi is equal to 22 by 7. Define uniform circular motion. Next question. Give any two examples for uniform circular motion. How can you calculate the speed of an object moving in uniform circular motion? Give reason. Motion along a circular path is said to be an accelerated motion. So, study well, complete your notes, and thank you. Have a wonderful day.